हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज अर्चित गोयल एंड वेलकम टू आवर चैनल शायरी अर्चित के साथ। गाइस, एज यू ऑल नो दैट 22nd October is celebrated as National Nut Day. So what is this National Nut Day? How it's celebrated? When it started? And a lot more. You will get to know in this video. So be with me till end. Let's start. National Nut Day is celebrated annually on October 22nd. It was created by Liberation Foods Company to encourage the public to choose healthier snack options. This is your day for nutty fun. Nuts are a highly prized food and energy source and are a primary source of nutrients for both humans and wildlife. Many of them are used in cooking, eaten raw, sprouted or roasted as a snack food, and pressed for oil that is used in cookery and cosmetics. The fats found in nuts, for the most part, are unsaturated fats, including monounsaturated fats. Many nuts are excellent sources of vitamins E and B2. They are also rich in protein, fiber, and essential minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, copper, and selenium. Several studies have shown that those who consume nuts regularly are less likely to suffer from coronary heart disease, that's CHD. It was in 1993 that nuts were first linked to protection against CHD. Since that time, many clinical trials have found that the consumption of various nuts, such as almonds and walnuts, can lower serum LDL cholesterol concentrations. One study has shown that people who ate nuts lived 2 or 3 years longer than those who did not. Those who were consuming nuts may have been eating less junk food, leading to a longer lifespan. Nuts in their raw form remain the most nutritional benefit too. However, you celebrate the day, though be sure to enjoy snacking on your favorite nut. So let's talk about the history of National Nut Day. National Nut Day was created by Liberation Foods Company as a way to do the right thing by the collectives of small nut farmers around the world. It was important to the company to stress to the public that their nuts were not only sustainably grown, but that the company was committed to giving their nut farmers a fair minimum wage for their labor and their crops. Farmers growing Brazil nuts, peanuts, and cashews from Brazil, India, and other third world countries came together to form a fair trade collective under Liberation Foods umbrella. National Nut Day appeared in 2015 on Liberation Foods website. Although the company is based in the United Kingdom, this holiday has spread far and wide, essentially in the United States. The day is devoted to all things nuts related, including recipes and cooking tips. Many African countries infuse their daily meals with peanuts on a regular basis in stews. According to the Nutcracker Museum, nuts were a regular part of the human diet from as far back as almost 8 lakh years ago. Early man used nutting tools to crack stones. Romans believed that walnuts were a gift from the god. So no matter what you eat today, include a healthy helping of nuts. They have lots of health benefits and they make you happy. That's important to remember on National Nut Day. So let's talk about its activities. Make your favorite nut butter. Grab your favorite nut, toast them in a food processor and add some sweetener if desired. Grab a knife to spread the goodness or eat it by a spoonful. Leave your co-workers a nutty treat. Want to brighten up somebody's day at work? Buy a family size container of mixed nuts at your local market and make snack sized goodie bags for your co-workers. It's an inexpensive treat many will go nuts for. Add them to your meal. Try grabbing a handful of your favorite nut and adding them to your breakfast. Why we love National Nut Day? Nuts come in different shapes and sizes. No matter what your preference is, there's a vast variety of these delicious snacks to suit your taste buds. Nuts also come in all shapes and sizes, from teardrop shaped almonds to a rinky walnuts. Taste your choice. Nuts are delicious and nutritious. They are creamy and dreamy when consumed, and they also deliver a punch of nutrition. Almonds are rich in protein, calcium, and vitamin E. If we talk about the numbers on the National Nut Day, Americans spend $800 million every year on peanut butter. Almonds can be refrigerated for 2 years. Chocolate companies buy 40% of the world's almond supply. So thank you for hearing and happy National Nut Day. So enjoy your day with the nuts and do like my video, share it to as many people as you can and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever my new video will come you will get the notification. And yeah, if you want to see all my videos which I have uploaded on the YouTube till now, so all their links are given in the description. So kindly go in the description and watch any video you want. And do comment how you liked this video. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.